Afrikaans Study Center, Lesson 3. Tye van die dag, Times of the Day. Times of the Day. Tye van die dag. Afternoon, middag. Day, dag. Evening, aand. Last week, verlede week. Midday, middag. Midnight, middernag. Morning, oggend of môre. Next week, aanstaande week. Night, nag. Sunrise or dawn, sonop. Sunset or dusk, sonsondergang. The day after yesterday, eergister. The day after tomorrow, oormôre. Today, vandag. Tomorrow, môre. Weekend, naweek. Yesterday, gister. Thank you, the Study Center, turning ordinary learners into extraordinary leaders.